Welcome to the ultimate deep dive into high-precision woodworking tools. Today, we're exploring 15 pieces of engineering art from Woodpeckers, a brand synonymous with accuracy and quality. For every single tool on this list, I'm going to give you a clear demo of how I use it and a check on its current Amazon or retailer price. Let's start with a shop favorite. Number 1. Woodpeckers Pocket Gauge. It's a multifunctional measuring device that uses a physical reference, not a printed scale, to set precise dimensions for 5 different shop tasks. I use it constantly to set the depth of my saw blades and router bits. The versatile Woodpeckers Pocket Gauge, often sold as a 6-in-1, typically retails for approximately $150 to $180 US. Number 2. Woodpeckers Posilock T-Square. The Posilock T-Square is a high-precision, long-reach layout tool. Unlike standard squares, it features a positive locking head that guarantees a perfect 90-degree angle across your entire workpiece. I use this primarily for breaking down large sheet goods. As a specialty, high-end, and sometimes limited-run tool, a 24-inch version of the Posilock T-Square can be found retailing around $350 to $399 US. Number 3. Woodpeckers Vari-Angle Clamp. The Vari-Angle Clamp, which is the fantastic M2 box clamp, is a dedicated assembly tool. It's designed to hold 2 pieces of stock precisely at 90 degrees during dry fit and glue up. It pulls the pieces into square while leaving the entire joint open for fasteners like screws or brad nails. A 2-pack of the very effective Woodpeckers M2 box clamps is typically priced at approximately USD. Number 4. Woodpeckers High Precision Jig. This is the Woodpeckers Precision Taper Jig. It updates a classic design with interlocking teeth for instantly repeatable, precise angle settings, specifically for cutting tapered furniture legs. The jig rides against the fence, giving you a safe, clean, and perfectly tapered furniture leg every time. Pricing on. Number 5. Woodpeckers Mortise Match. The Mortise Match is the Woodpeckers plunge router base. It converts a standard plunge router into a precise mortising machine, ensuring perfect alignment for mortise and tenon joints. I attach my router and use the fence to register on the edge of the stock. The Woodpeckers Mortise Base is a significant upgrade for any router, priced around $250 to $279 and 99 cents. Number 6. Woodpeckers Work Holding Kit. The Work Holding Kit is a comprehensive system designed to secure material to a workbench with a grid of holes, like an MFT table or a custom bench. The complete Woodpeckers Work Holding Kit can retail for approximately $300 to $349 and 99 cents. Number 7. Woodpeckers Deluxe Trammel. The Deluxe Trammel system is designed for drawing very large arcs and circles, far beyond the capacity of a standard compass. It also includes guides for checking diagonals. To draw a large circle, fix one point as the center axis, set your radius on the beam, and sweep the pencil around. The Deluxe Trammel system was a retired Woodpeckers one-time tool, meaning prices are dependent on availability from secondary sellers. Number 8. Woodpeckers Saddle T-Square. The Woodpeckers Saddle T-Square is a layout favorite. Its design saddles the edge of the board, giving you a firm reference face while allowing you to easily transfer lines or scribe parallel marks. The popular 6-inch Woodpeckers Saddle T-Square is typically priced around $65 to $79 and 99 cents. Number 9. Woodpeckers Mighty Mini Scraper. The Mighty Mini Scraper is a small but powerful hand tool. It uses a super durable, sharp carbide insert blade for cleaning up dried glue and reaching areas where a sander or plane simply can't fit. The Woodpeckers Mighty Mini Scraper with its standard cambered insert is an affordable precision tool, typically around $18 to $21 and 99 cents. Number 10. Woodpeckers Sliding Bevel Gauge. This is the Woodpeckers Sliding Bevel Gauge. It's built for finding and transferring angles with absolute confidence. The key is its unique internal mechanism that positively locks the blade in place. The 7-inch Woodpeckers Sliding Bevel Gauge is a premium version of the classic tool, priced at about $130 to $139 and 99 cents. Number 11. Woodpeckers Dowel Guide. The dowel guide, specifically the Universal Cross Dowel Jig, is designed to solve a huge problem in cabinet making, aligning holes for cross dowel connections in knockdown furniture. The deluxe kit of the Woodpeckers Universal Cross Dowel Jig is priced around $200 to $209 and 99 cents. Number 12. Woodpeckers Mini Square. The Woodpeckers Mini Square is a highly stable, diminutive precision square. Its main job is to check the accuracy of smaller items and machine setups. The highly accurate Woodpeckers Mini Square is typically found retailing for around $20 to $29.99. Number 13. Woodpeckers Stair Gauge Set. The stair gauge set is a small but mighty accessory. These adjustable, clamp-on stops attached to any square to facilitate rapid, repeatable marking of angles and dimensions. A 4-piece Woodpeckers stair gauge set is available for approximately $60 to $69.99. Number 14. Woodpeckers Delve Square. The Woodpeckers Delve Square is a brilliantly engineered layout tool. The signature feature is a machined relief cut, the delve, in the inside corner. The 6-inch stainless steel Delve Square with its storage case is typically priced around $150 to $154.99. Number 15. Woodpeckers Corner Lock. The corner lock is a dedicated spring-loaded clamp for holding 2 pieces of material perfectly square during assembly. It's an essential third hand during glue-ups. An individual Woodpeckers corner lock is available for about $30 to $39.99. And that's our complete look at 15 different Woodpeckers precision tools. When you combine quality craftsmanship with these kinds of innovative, precise features, it genuinely changes the quality of your woodworking. Like this video, subscribe for more precision tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next build.